In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from images in Figma. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow that uses a plugin to strip backgrounds, so you can drop clean, cut-out images into your designs. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few helpful tips to get smooth results. Start by opening Figma in your browser or desktop app and head into the file where you want to work. Make sure you're in the Design view. You'll find this at the top of the right-hand sidebar. If you see Prototype or Inspect, switch over to Design so your usual layer and property controls are visible. This keeps everything straightforward as you prepare the image. Next, add your image to the canvas. You can drag and drop a file directly into Figma or use the Image tool if you prefer. Once it appears, position it where you want and ensure it's clearly visible on the canvas. Keeping the image on its own layer makes the background removal step cleaner and easier to verify afterward. Now, with your image on the canvas, right-click on any empty space in the canvas area to open the context menu. From that menu, hover over or click Plugins. This is where Figma lists tools you can run directly from the editor. Look for the option called Remove BG. Select it to open the plugin. If your workspace shows a small panel or modal, that's normal. Inside Remove BG, click Run. This action sends your image to the background removal service and begins processing. You don't have to change any settings here. The default behavior is designed to handle most subjects like people, products, or simple objects. Wait for a moment while the plugin does its work. Processing time depends on your image size and internet connection. You'll see the result appear on the canvas when it's done. The background should be fully removed, leaving only your subject. If you notice the gray checkerboard pattern behind your subject, that indicates transparency, which is exactly what you want. For images with hair, fur, or fine edges, the tool typically preserves soft details, though very complex or low-contrast backgrounds may produce slight halos. If the first pass doesn't look quite right, try running it again on the same image to see if a second pass improves the edge detection. High-resolution images generally yield better cutouts, and centered subjects with clear contrast tend to process fastest. And that's it. You opened Figma, switched to Design, added your image, launched the Remove BG plugin, clicked Run, and waited for the clean, transparent result.